YouTube, I'm back, and so is 60 hikes within 60 miles of St. Louis. Today I'm at Silver Lake Park in Highland, Illinois, and we are hiking the Scouts Nature Trail, 4.5 miles. It used to be maintained by the Gateway Off-Road cyclists, but I'm not sure. It looks kind of like the Boy Scouts might maintain it now. So here's the sign. There's an in and out, and then there's a loop trail at the end. So we will check it out. Last time I was on this trail, it was pretty muddy, but it has not rained for quite a while, and I'm hoping there's not a lot of mud along the trail today, because I wore my tennis shoes. And I just passed the guy on the trail, and he said there was not too many muddy spots, so looking forward to a dry trail. This is a mountain bike trail typically, so you're going to see there's a lot of bridges like this one here, and these are low spots that sometimes get a lot of water in them. It's pretty dry. And the trail runs along the Silver Lake, which is the water source for the city of Highland. There's a few up and downs on this trail as it winds around the lake, but for the most part it's flat. Another bridge coming up here. I have taken my mountain bike down here. It's kind of scary going over these bridges. Like right there. Probably would walk my bike over that. Also, I am just getting over a cold, so I'm already kind of winded. But I'm so sick and tired of laying around the house that decided to get out and get some exercise today. Beautiful lake, Silver Lake. And it dams Silver Creek, which twists and turns all over the place in this area. In fact, this trail is so good I may bring my bike back here. I'm getting some confidence on riding the mountain bike out here because of the lack of mud. You may want to bring your fishing pole out here while you hike it, because there's little fishing docks interspersed along the trail, so you can get some fishing done, catch some fish hopefully. But yeah, that's pretty cool. There's actually some neighborhoods along this trail too, so it'll be kind of nice living in that neighborhood, having a trail right out your back door. There's the remnants of a bridge. I'm not sure what's up with that. That traffic you see in the distance is the 143 bridge across the dam. And I can hear I-70 from here. Not sure how close this trail comes to that, or I don't know. Looks like we got some ducks up here. Got more ducks up here. Another bridge coming up. This one looks to be in good condition. There's a little bench right there. You could throw your fishing line out. Oh, what do we got here? A duck blind. You even got a place to pull your boat up. This looks pretty wet here. I see a bridge. What condition is the bridge in? It's looking pretty good. passable anyway. It's seen better days, but it's still doing its job. There's the Silver Lake over there. Looks like we're coming up on some stairs, which I don't care for, so I will take the ramp, the handicap ramp. And another bridge. Yeah, this is not bad. Sandy. Huh. Not bad at all. We are getting thick in the woods now. Another bridge. I can already see a board missing out of it. It's a little soft on the other side, but it looks pretty good. It's doing the job. That was a pretty big bluff on this lake that we just went through. Dipped down into a gully. And we're going back around through the woods again. Yeah, the trail just winds around these little coves in Silver Lake. So you cover a lot of ground. I just noticed that I've got about 2 bars left on my Karma grip, which is the gimbal for GoPro. But luckily when this dies, when the gimbal dies, the camera remains at 100%. So if I lose my gimbal, we will just continue on with the GoPro in hand. Back out to the lake, and there's that duck blind and the ducks. That was a long walk just to get across the lake right here. It took about 10 minutes. And we are at the 1.5 mile marker. So that means in about another half a mile or a little bit further, we're going to hit that loop. And the loop's probably pretty short, considering this is an out and back trail, 4.5 miles. So on we go. Okay, I think I've been fooled. There's another duck blind. Are these really ducks or are they decoys? They're decoys. High 70. Getting closer. So that loop has got to be right up here. Here's another bridge. Appears to be in good condition. And then I saw another one right up here. This is really some of the best trail conditions I've seen out here. Mainly because of the lack of rain, but the bridges are all in good shape too. So yeah, this is the first time I've ever gotten out this far on this trail. And it's because I did not run into any mud. Huh. I may be at the loop trail now. I think I am. Huh. I think I'll make a left. I'm on the loop trail. Getting pretty close to the interstate here. Some more duck decoys. I keep thinking I'm at an end of this trail, but it just keeps going, so almost there. You can see the interstate's right there. In fact, if it was any closer, I could stick my thumb out and hitchhike home, but I won't do that. I'm on my way back now. And I'm not going to record the return trip because that would be kind of redundant, and my gimbal's about to die. So I just want to let you know I appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you like my videos, go ahead and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, look for that little bell icon that slides out and click on that, and you'll get an email when my next video is uploaded. So again, thanks for watching, everybody.